Hello, this is Mark from Cliff's Sewing and Vacuum. Did you know you can do simple freehand embroidery with your Necchi? You don't need a $4,000 embroidery machine to make designs on your fabric. I'm going to show you how to hook up an embroidery foot to your machine and use a simple hoop to hold your fabric tight while you sew any design you like. The hoop I'm using came off a 20-year-old sewing machine. You can probably get just about any hoop to work with the Necchi. This hoop comes in two pieces and you lay the fabric between the pieces and lock it shut. Kind of pulling on the fabric just to tighten it as much as I can. And there is a tightener. I'm going to tighten it so the fabric stays in place. Using the screwdriver tool from the attachments, I'm taking off the existing foot and installing the embroidery foot. I'm going to do a sample sewing so you can see how it works. And when you put the hoop in, the embroidery foot is on a spring, so you lift the embroidery foot up in order to get it over the frame of the hoop. I have pulled up the bottom thread already. It's above the needle plate but below the fabric of the hoop. The actual sewing does take some getting used to. The speed that you run the machine at and how fast you move the hoop affects greatly, what your stitch is going to look like. I'm going to put the foot down. hold the thread so the needle doesn't come undone. Let's see, I'm going to put it on a zigzag. I've got it on 0 stitch length. And I've got let me verify the feed dogs should be lowered. I'm going to verify that on the machine before I start. Yeah, the feed dogs are lowered. So I got it on zigzag 0 stitch length. I'm just going to step on the controller and now move the frame of the hoop to control where the stitches go. And I just wanted to show you the result of my sewing. I did an M, my first initial, and it's looks okay. And if I had more practice, I'm sure I could do it a lot better. It does look like the tensions need the top. If I was gonna do more, I'd put the top tensions tighter on this because the stitching doesn't look perfect, but otherwise that's basically how you do it.